Alright, hey guys, sorry for posting this so late. I got caught up in some schoolwork. School's starting next Monday, so back to school. So today's August 21st, so let's talk about what plays we made today, and then let's talk about a little weekly recap. So today we started off, if you watched my TikTok or my YouTube video from yesterday, we talked about swinging Apple calls in a day. So Apple opened up around $482. We took 140% then. Then we re-entered around the 492 area because another ascending triangle was forming. Perfect triangle. Broke up to around 498, and that's when we sold again for another 157%. Alright, let's look at what else we did. So Zoom had a rest day today. We did swing Zoom calls. They didn't move that much. They were down maybe $25, so we averaged down on those. I'm almost 100% sure Zoom is going to get that earnings run up over this weekend. Earnings is on the 31st, so 10 days from now. But I think it'll see 320, 315 before earnings. Well, what else did we go up to today? So we did the Apple Play, and then we ended up swinging SPY calls and AMD calls and Zoom calls over the weekend. So we'll see how those play out on Monday. Now let's talk quickly about a weekly recap. So what we did this whole week. So we started off on Monday with a Tesla 1900 call, 85% return on there. 2200 call, 67% return on there. So let's talk about Tesla for a second. So started the week off at around 1600, then it got that speed up to around 1800, 1900, and when it got to those areas, I knew the mental number was 2000. It was going to hit it this week. It was just a matter of time. So we started day trading calls. It's very risky to swing these weekly expirations for Tesla, so we try to day trade those, ride the contract up, and then scalp it. We actually made a 36% loss on low for the earnings play. We got IV crushed there. Facebook 265 call, we made 153% on that. Square 155 call, 110% on that. eBay $58 call, 73% there. Zoom 285 call, 156% there. That's the one that we did on the 19th. So we re-entered on the 20th. We took some profits on the 19th. We were up almost 156% on the contracts. And then on Thursday, on Thursday is actually the day that it got up to around 1950 Tesla. So we made 84% on Tesla that day. I talked about Apple. We made 82% on the day trade on Thursday. We swung some over, and that's where that's when we sold around the 482 area. So we made money there. And then we day traded Apple again to make around 156% profit, I recall. So in Apple, the key thing for Apple this week was those ascending triangles, and then Zoom has the same one formed, but the only problem with that is the first time Zoom formed a daily ascending triangle, it broke down. So when I'm watching Zoom, I think it's gonna break up just because the earnings hype and then the chart setup. Apple had sort of the same chart setup and actually went up. So we'll see how things go from there. But right now I'm thinking Monday is going to be pretty green. So SPY, on Thursday, SPY was at 337, and then the all-time high was around the 339 area, and it broke up and hit an all-time high today. So usually when the stock market hits an all-time high, it does have momentum, and then I think that momentum should carry over into Monday, and we'll see another green day. That's why I swung all these calls. I also did add a hedge. You always have to add hedges when you're trading options, so I added a couple SPY puts just in case something goes wrong. But other than that, we have Square calls going over to Monday, Zoom calls, AMD calls, and Apple calls. So we'll see how Monday opens up. Keep me posted on how you guys are doing, and join the Discord for games like this. Great, guys. See ya.